Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, and I'm coming to you quickly here. Want to cut this quick video for you. Do you know what is one of the most biggest misconceptions in affiliate marketing? Well, I'm going to let you know that, but before I do, I want to thank you for coming to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. First time here, hit that subscribe button so that you notified of any new videos that I do put out. If you do get some value from this video, let me know, and also let me know in the comments if you do get some kind of value from this. So, the biggest misconception that I want to talk about today in affiliate marketing, and that's the title of the video, is more traffic equals more profit. I hear a lot of people say that if I can just get more traffic to one of my affiliate marketing websites, I can make a lot more money. I can make a lot more profits in my business or in my affiliate marketing business. That's a big misconception. More traffic does not equal more profits. This is how you get more profits. You have to find a great offer, and a great offer that converts. That is what's going to give you more profits. Find your great offer, and find a great offer that converts. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. If you can find your great offer, if you can run a small bit of traffic to it, or some clicks to it, or run a Facebook ad to it, a small amount of traffic, probably sending 100 people or 100 clicks, as they call it in traffic, and it converts, you got a great offer. And if you scale up maybe a little bit more and it still converts, you got a great offer. So more traffic to your offer doesn't really help you if you don't got a great offer that converts. More traffic is going to spend you more money without making more money back. So that's the biggest misconception. I wanted to share that with you guys today. So if this is your first time on my channel, I do want to say again, welcome. If you're a home business entrepreneur or affiliate marketer and want to learn about, mindset, different systems, different tools, different tips to help you build your business and to help you use it using the power of the internet, you've come to the right channel. Again, this is Billy Josie here in Jacksonville, Florida. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless you. Peace.